Rest to me sounds like
Rest to me sounds like
Rest to me sounds like my own slow breaths. It sounds like
uninhibited laughter, belly laughter.
Listening to birds chirping. Sometimes it sounds like wind.
Release. Releasing of duties, releasing of obligations.
Thunderstorm of security and calmness that I can snuggle up to and fall asleep at night.
no to-do list, kind of like freedom to move as I need to. Just no like itinerary.
Rest sounds like my grandmother's home and me laying in her lap.
It sounds like listening to rain.
nature, birds, the ocean, flowing river,